So this message goes out to everyone who is absent, I guess, like today and possibly Thursday and Friday. We have Trenton who's sick. We have people that are going on the robotics trip. And so I'm doing things a little bit differently just because I feel that the system that we have in place currently is not really working, right? What's the system that's currently in place is I put up the packets, I ask you to do a certain portion, you write down your answers, and then you complete the corrections. The corrections I'm getting are like maybe like 1 or 2 out of like 50 questions. So like that's not, for me, that just kind of tells me that there's some shenanigans going on. So then to keep everybody like accountable, what I'm going to do now is use Google Form per William Cochran's suggestion along with Raymond Liu. Here's the packet. What's due on Wednesday is going to, in class, is going to be pages 1 through 9 in this packet using this form. Right? Click on the form. You have to sign in using your school email address, or else I won't be able to link your responses to your person. And we're going to go through and click all the answers that you want. Right? Oh, well, this gives me additional choices. You won't see that, right? You'll click all your answers and then you'll hit submit at the bottom. That's due during the day. And then at night for homework is this form that's due, right? And if I click on that, then it's the same questions, except this is like a long text answer where you're going to write down the explanations for what you got wrong and why you got it wrong. Full credit would be you explain why every incorrect answer is incorrect and the correct answer is correct. Right? If that's not the case, you'll be receiving partial credit, and this is due for homework. Okay, that same night. So when you submit the first form, it will immediately tell you which answers you got incorrect. Okay, so then you'll know how to fill out the second form at night. So Trenton, this is going to be due for you tonight, right? And then for everyone who's on the robotics trip, I'm hearing that you're going to have a completely full day for up until Saturday night. So for you all, this will be due sometime before spring break ends. Let's make it the before the first day of school when we come back on Monday, because I'm sure you're gonna go on vacation and do things, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I want to say, and just want to make sure that those of you who aren't like accustomed to meeting deadlines, I'm gonna begin to become very strict on the deadline here. So if it's not in before Monday, then I'm going to need to put in zeros in the grade book. So yeah, be aware. Thanks.